afternoon.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. So yeah, I'm here at Manila at Bayview Park Hotel in Manila, and I just arrived from Cebu, and I will be here for a night. So the reason why I'm here is might be very obvious if you really followed me on YouTube, because this is the same hotel I've checked in when I went here last October. And yeah, with the same purpose, and I think this is the same room, I guess. So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do until the evening. Just probably gonna prepare myself for tomorrow, and I'm way too dark here. It's bad lighting, so I have to transfer it probably here. Yeah, I hope there's a good sunset today, because I would have wanted to see the wonderful sunset at the Manila Bay, except what I don't like there is the bad smell of the bay because of trashes. So yeah, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. Oh my god, this stuff's getting boring. I know, but I hope you don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share peace and love. And you gotta stay tuned what I'm going to do here in Manila. And yeah. But for now, I'm just gonna sing you a song that's just called Doing Fine by Lauren Elena. If you really know me, you would always know who's my favorite singer is, and that's gotta be Lauren Elena. And the song goes like this: I'm doing fine enough to know that everyone's a little broken. I'm fine enough to learn heart's best when they're wide open. I still got fear inside of me. I'm not okay, but I'm gonna be alright. For the first time in a long time, I'm doing fine. Sir! Ito na! Ang tagal na niyan.
Saan naman ako dito?
Kasha ba? Tagal na niyan.
Baka. Sakto lang naman. Nice.
Kasha.
Ang ganda naman ito. Walang ganyan.
Ito artista.
Ayoko, ikaw lang. Hindi ako pang video.
So here at CBTL, here at Ross Boulevard, and I'm with Lodipet Malu Travel Blogger, Angel Juarez, or aka Dalat Pachero. So he's there. Yun. So he bought a t-shirt before, kaso ngayon ko lang nabigay sa kanya. So imagine how many months I posted and launched my merch, tapos ngayon ko pa nabigay. Kasi syempre, nasa Manila siya, tapos ako nasa Cebu. Oh, bakit naman ako ngayon magkatagalog? Kala ko ba mag-i-English tayo sa channel na ito? Anyway, so subtitles on the go. Ganda ng phone. Paano?
Baliw.
Wala ka po. Yun. Hi, thank you sa spoilers.
Pumpa-excite lang yun.
Hindi ako matulog. That was it. So, yeah. Okay. So I'm back here at the hotel, and yes. Do it up. Lain na to eh. Tapos awkward. So I'm back here at the Bayview Park Hotel, and whew, ever wondered why I am so formal right now? Like literally formal, and my hair is so brushed up, and my my forehead is so clear. Dito goes. That's why I always make bongkag to this. Kung yun na sad. So good news. What happened? What happened earlier? I went to the US Embassy and applied again for my visa for my job. The good news is, ding! So travel vlog na sad. So yeah, dili ko magdukay diri sa hotel. I still have other places to go today, and my flight to Cebu is tonight, 6 p.m. So I have to teleport in 3, 2, 1. What are against the left?
Favorite ko.
Let's eat finally. So we are here.
My name is Katie.
Oy, yun.
These ideas spelled backwards. Enter a museum where science comes alive. Explore the 5 galleries on your own. The Adams.
Well, that's it for our tour here at the Mind Museum. Information overload, mga bes. You get to learn a lot of things, especially in science and yeah, science, math, visuals, chemistry, biology, logi, ganon. Thank you. Thank you.
Kita-kits pag
Kita-kits. Oh, sige nga, Cebu. Bye-bye. So, it's already 3 p.m. and I have to rush to the airport because my flight is 6 p.m. and just grabbing so I'm really vlogging here like in Cebu. Pero parang nahihiya ako mag-vlog, pero go lang ng go. So ito na. Pero safe naman mag-vlog dito sa BGC siguro. So yun. So finally, I am heading to the airport. Pa-traffic po ba ngayon?
Medyo sir.
Medyo. Mga anong oras kaya tayo? 3:30?
Medyo 30 to 40 minutes more.
Sige. So, yeah, my visit here in Manila is just quick. As quick as an arrow. Went here yesterday afternoon and just returned home. Just go home tonight at 6. So earlier I wasn't able to vlog because I was in the LRT, so I tried it for the first time na adult ako. Okay, when I was a kid, akong travel, nag-commute ko from Manila, from UN, United Nations, to Ortigas, which is really far, for around an hour and a half, I guess, earlier. And then I wish to vlog actually, but I was really scared to vlog because I'm alone. And I don't know if it's safe or not. Pero so after Ortigas, I went to BGC directly and meet Darwin, and we had a tour in my museum that will be on my next vlog. So make sure to check that out. Yeah. So I'm here now at the airport, and it's still 3:53 and my flight will be 6 p.m. and my boarding time will be 5:30. I am here at NAIA Terminal 2 and I want to sleep. Papakit lang. But I do love the lighting here because I'm so white. Look at that. Yeah, we are boarding earlier than expected. It's still 5:12 and based on the online ticket, the boarding time will be 5:30 and the departure time would be 6, but I guess it would be earlier, which is really good because I want to go home already. I want to go home. I want to speak Bisaya. So just gonna end my vlog here. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this boring video. So yeah, share peace and love.